In today's video, I'm going to talk about the problem of open pores, its causes and the solutions. So if you're someone with oily and sensitive skin and are struggling with the issue of enlarged pores on your face, then this video is just for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know me, I am Jayashree Ramana. I am a nutritionist and holistic wellness coach. And if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also tap that bell icon. So today I'm going to talk about open pores. I'm going to share with you a skincare routine as well as a skin meal recipe which will help to minimize or shrink the pores on your face. So what exactly are these pores? Have you ever seen yourself carefully in the mirror? I'm sure you have. And if you bring the mirror closer to your face, sometimes you notice those tiny dots on your forehead, your cheeks or your nose. Those tiny dots are what we refer to as pores. Beneath our skin, we have the glands called sebaceous glands. These glands secrete oil or sebum. Sebum helps to keep our skin moist, lubricated and supple. The openings of these sebaceous glands on the surface of our skin is what we see in the form of pores. So pores are a natural part of the skin's anatomy and therefore you cannot eliminate them. We all have pores on our entire skin throughout our body, except our palms and the soles of our feet. But in certain areas on our face as well as our back, we have a high density of sebaceous glands. These are relatively more in number on our T-zone, that is our forehead, our cheeks as well as our nose. Therefore, we see the pores commonly in these areas. So we cannot eliminate the pores, but we can definitely reduce the appearance of these pores. We can definitely shrink these pores. And the key to make the pores appear smaller is to keep them clean. So for this we need to keep regular care of our skin by following a proper skincare routine using the right products as well as the correct natural remedies. Before I tell you what skincare routine you should follow, let me tell you some of the ingredients which are very commonly recommended all over the internet these days, and it becomes really mind-boggling to decide which ones are really good and which ones are bad for your skin. Personally, because I have suffered from acne for several years, I too had very oily and sensitive skin. So I have personal experience with these ingredients as well as these products, and this is why I'm sharing it all with you. You know, lemon as well as apple cider vinegar. These are two common remedies that I came across, and let me tell you that they are doing you more harm than good. Both of these are very acidic for your skin if they are used in their undiluted form, because these disrupt the skin's acidic barrier, making it further irritated, red and sensitized towards so many external agents. So you should never use lemon and apple cider vinegar in any of your natural remedies. Besides this, you should also avoid baking soda because it is too alkaline for our skin. Apart from this, you should avoid using ice on your face. Unless your skin is completely normal, you should never use ice on your face because it can make your skin more red and irritated. Now let me come to the skincare routine that you should follow in order to minimize the pores on your skin. For this, you just need 2 or 3 simple steps. The first step is cleanser. Use a mild cleanser based on salicylic acid. You know, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid which penetrates deep into your pores, thereby removing all the excess dirt and oil clogging your pores and giving you that squeaky clean and brighter feeling on your skin. So you can use a face wash like Salicylic starting from the lower strength. Do not go for Salicylic 2%, you can just go for Salicylic 1%, which has got 1% salicylic acid, and that's it. Higher strengths may strip your skin of its natural moisture, so I would not advise you to do that. Just go for a face wash like Salicylic, follow it up with any mild toner like the IRM toner or the Plum toner, and then follow this up with a moisturizer that is non-comedogenic. And my personal recommendation, you all know, is this one, that is Exela. The best part about this moisturizer is that it has got a lot of, really a high concentration of niacinamide. Niacinamide, if you have watched my previous videos, you might be remembering that niacinamide is a fantastic skincare ingredient which not only helps to control the production of sebum but also helps to shrink your pores. So this is a wonderful moisturizer. And obviously the last step is to use a sunblock or a sunscreen. By the way, do let me know if you want me to make a separate video on sunscreens for every skin type. So once you are done with your skincare routine, follow it religiously every morning and evening, and you will see amazing differences in your skin within a few days. Besides that, there are certain natural remedies that you should do. And now I'm going to share with you the phenomenal skincare recipe which has worked wonders for my skin and helped to shrink or minimize the appearance of pores for me. Again, it's completely natural, and there are 3 basic steps that you have to follow. That is, first is the face mask. You can also call it a face wash. The second step is to use a toner, which is also homemade, and the third step is to use a moisturizer. And all the products that you use are completely natural, but again, it's up to you as well. So the first step is cleansing, and for this step you require just 3 basic ingredients. That is oatmeal. You can prepare oatmeal by taking a few oats at your home and grinding it in your grinder. You know, oatmeal is a wonderful exfoliator which helps to remove the dead skin cells and the excess oil from your skin, making your pores appear tighter and your skin smoother. The second ingredient is curd, which has got a lot of lactic acid, which helps to brighten and smoothen your skin. The third ingredient is honey, which again gives you that amazing glow to your skin. So mix up all these 3 ingredients and make a paste and apply on your skin. Let this paste dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you are done, then wash your face with plain water. I am sure you will be amazed at the first step itself. But still, we have to go towards the second step, that is using the toner. So for preparing the toner, you need a cucumber and 1 Indian rose. So first of all, grate the cucumber using a grater and extract its juice. Prepare the rose water by boiling rose on a low flame. Take the rose water, let it cool down and mix it up with the cucumber juice. After mixing these two, spray it on your face and let your skin soak in all the freshness of the lovely ingredients contained in this toner. And the final and the third step is to moisturize your skin using your everyday moisturizer. You could either use Exela here or you can use the jojoba oil. The best part about jojoba oil is that it has got a composition very similar to the skin's own sebum, and therefore it doesn't clog your pores. You can even mix up the moisturizer and the jojoba oil and then apply on your face. And I tell you guys, this skin meal recipe is gonna work just wonders for you. My mom, she usually never compliments me for my skin or anything, but today when I applied this, when I used this, she was like, oh, and I'm sure the same will happen to you. So I hope this skincare routine as well as this skin meal recipe works wonders for you, just like it did for me. Try it for a couple of days and let me know how it works for you. I will look forward to hear your feedback, and if you have any doubts or any questions, please drop me a comment below and I will definitely respond to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.